Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 2025 review, real 4K editing results on Ryzen AI plus RTX 5050. Ever open 47 Chrome tabs, Premiere, Photoshop, and Spotify, and watched your laptop start breathing like it just ran a marathon? I did, mid-client render last month. Fans screaming, timeline stuttering, pure panic. Drop laptop betrayal in the comments if yours has done the same. You still with me? Good. Your sanity's about to be saved.
That heavy, chaotic feeling when your machine slows exactly when you're on fire creatively? Deadlines breathing down your neck, clients waiting, and your laptop decides it's nap time. What if you could edit 4K, game at lunch, and still have battery left without the meltdown? Turns out there's a calmer, faster way to live.
Then I got my hands on the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 2025 Luna Gray and actually laughed out loud. 16-inch, 2.8K 120Hz OLED that makes colors look wet. Ryzen AI 7 350 with NPU that eats AI tasks for breakfast. RTX 5050 that pushes 1440p 60+ FPS in new titles. 1TB SSD that opens 100GB projects like text files. And a battery that genuinely lasts 10 to 12 hours while doing real work. Last week, a motion designer friend was 20 minutes from client deadline. His MacBook was thermal throttling hard. He threw the project on my IdeaPad Pro 5, exported 4K in 11 minutes flat with AI noise reduction running, and sent it while sipping coffee. The relief on his face was ridiculous. This isn't just a laptop, it's creative superpowers in Luna Gray clothing. Now I edit 4K timelines smoother than ever, game at lunch without closing apps, and the OLED makes color grading feel like cheating. A DP with 800K followers said he sold his MacBook Pro after 1 week with this. The screen alone is worth it, and it's half the price. Notebook Check measured over 70 FPS average in Cyberpunk at 1440p medium with DLSS. One freelance illustrator told me she finally stopped carrying 2 laptops because this one does photo, vector, and light 3D without breaking a sweat. Some people see 16 gigabytes RAM and hesitate. Honestly, it's plenty for 99% of real workflows, and there's an empty slot if you ever need more. Thousands of creators are quietly making this their daily driver and wondering why they waited. See why they can't stop talking about this thing. Which part would make your life easiest tomorrow? The insane screen, the battery that doesn't lie, or the fact it just works? Tell me below. Join the editors, designers, devs, and hybrid gamers already using the Lenovo IdeaPad Pro 5 2025 and actually enjoying their workday again. More screen real estate, calmer thermals, faster renders, and colors that make clients say wow without you touching a calibrator. If you're ready to work faster, stress less, and finally love your laptop again, click the affiliate link in the description or pinned comment and check it out. No pressure, just thousands of us smiling at our screens. You deserve this one. Go see it for yourself.